Yes, thank you. Well, my friend Wildy's coming. He'll help out.
Who's Wildy?
Oh, you'll see.
Where you going?
You just take it easy, Bennett. This is my problem. Like to rent a box for a month.
321.
Okay, this is ours.
How are you gonna pay for it?
Cash.
What's that for? The new car?
That's bait.